And good morning, everybody. It is the 19th of October. It's a Monday, and welcome back to school. I enjoyed speaking with some of your parents last week, and I know that some of you are still lagging behind a bit on your pacing and progress in world history. So you do need to spend about 40 minutes a day working on your content. If you're behind, you might need to spend a little bit more and catch up. A couple of things. Some of you are still struggling with the curriculum and not progressing well. You need to contact me. Send me a message via Hangouts, and we'll set up a time that we can do a talk like this by Google, and that might help. Or even if it's just me answering you in text form or giving you some examples of how to answer some of the questions that you're facing. If you need help, you need to reach out. All right. This week, by the end of this week, you should be done with about 18 of the 37 lessons that are assigned to be on pace. So that's a good goal. I did put a snapshot last week of where you need to be. You need to keep following that. Just try to make sure you're staying up to date with that number. Look at your marker to see if you're off pace, way off pace, or on pace. Okay. Again, the key thing is you need to contact me if you're having problems, and I will be happy to help you. My times are between 8:30 and 10, so we do have a decent amount of time that I can block out and talk with you. Okay, have a great day.